just another quick tip. We get a lot of phone calls, when do I need a service call? And it's a great question. On our equipment, usually it'll tell you if you need a service call. It'll be red up here, say error, and then we turn on a beeper inside the equipment to notify you that the equipment needs service. But you can always call the office. We can ask you a couple of questions. You could explain what's happening, and a lot of times we're able to help you over the phone and do it that way. But if you do need service, you want someone who is trained. We've got over 30 years of experience. We carry everything on the truck that we need to service this. If a guy shows up with one of these, and wants to start tinkering with the unit, you probably don't want him working on the equipment. You want someone who is licensed also. We are licensed through the state of Texas to be able to install and service equipment. You just don't want a handyman or maybe a plumber who says, well, I think I can help. You're better off calling A, whoever put the equipment in, or B, if it's not our equipment, we can work on some. Just give us a call and we'll try and help you. Back to when you need a service call. Again, the screen, or you're looking for little drips possibly that are coming down and forming on the top of the tank. That means like the seal and spacer kit inside has gone bad or is worn and it's dripping a little bit. If the brine tank is full of water and will not empty, if the water is super salty tasting, or if you just don't feel like you've got salt water in the house, those are indications something's wrong. Again, give us a call. If you'd like to save some money and not pay the service call fee, you could bring us the water. We could test it right here in the shop for you. We sell parts over the counter in case anything ever did need to be replaced. But we're here to help, and call the office if you have any questions. Thank you.